Bienvenue chez Examist, votre partenaire de confiance pour réussir vos certifications. Nous proposons des supports d'études complets, en ligne et hors ligne. Et nous sommes là pour vous guider pas à chaque étape. Des guides PDF détaillés aux exercices pratiques bien structurés. Toutes les questions essentielles sont soigneusement couvertes pour vous donner toutes les chances de réussir. Vous aurez toujours les bonnes ressources à portée de main. Téléchargez les PDFs. Faites des tests et connectez-vous à notre équipe d'assistance experte. Avec la pratique interactive en ligne. Entraînez-vous et quand vous voulez. À votre rythme. Nos PDFs prêts pour l'examen sont soigneusement élaborés et régulièrement mis à jour. Des milliers d'apprenants certifiés font confiance à notre qualité et à notre sérieux. Des professionnels qualifiés sont disponibles pour répondre à vos questions. Commencez dès aujourd'hui et donnez à votre préparation l'avantage décisif avec Examist. Visitez Examens, comme dès maintenant. Examist. Votre parcours vers le succès commence ici.
Question 1. Which sysinit configuration file should be modified to disable the Ctrl-Alt-Delete key? Combination. Option A. etc. keys. Option B. proc. keys. Option C. etc. unetab. Option D. proc. unetab. Option E. etc. reboot. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. etc. unetab. Question 2. During a system boot cycle, what program is executed after the BIOS completes its tasks? Option A. The bootloader. Option B. The inetd program. Option C. The init program. Option D. The kernel. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. The bootloader. Question 3. Which run levels should never be declared as the default run level when using sysinit? Choose two correct answers. Option A. O. Option B. 1. Option C. 3. Option D. 5. Option E. 6. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A 0, Option E 6. Question 4. Which of the following statements is correct when talking about proc? Option A. All changes to files in proc are stored in etc. proc. D. And restored on reboot. Option B. All files within proc are read-only and their contents cannot be changed. Option C. All changes to files in proc are immediately recognized by the kernel. Option D. All files within proc are only readable by the root user. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. All changes to files in proc are immediately recognized by the kernel. Question 5. What of the following statements are true regarding dev when using udev? Choose two correct answers. Option A. Entries for all possible devices get created on boot even if those devices are not connected. Option B. Additional rules for udev can be created by adding them to etc. udev rules. D. Option C. When using udev, it is not possible to create block or character devices in dev using mnode. Option D. The dev directory is a file system of type tmpfs and is mounted by udev during system startup. Option E. The content of dev is stored in etc. udev dev and is restored during system startup. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Additional rules for udev can be created by adding them to etc. udev rules. D. Option D. The dev directory is a file system of type tmpfs and is mounted by udev during system startup. Question 6. Which of the following information is stored within the BIOS? Choose two correct answers. Option A. Boot device order. Option B. Linux kernel version. Option C. Time zone. Option D. Hardware configuration. Option E. The system's host name. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Boot device order. Option D. Hardware configuration. Question 7. Which of the following commands reboots the system when using sysvinit? Choose two correct answers. Option A. Shutdown R now. Option B. Shutdown R, rebooting. Option C. Telnet 6. Option D. Telnet 0. Option E. Shutdown K now, rebooting. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Shutdown R now. Option C. Telnet 6. Question 8. Which of the following are init systems used within Linux systems? Choose three correct answers. Option A. Started. Option B. Systemd. Option C. Upstart. Option D. sysinit. Option E. sysvinit. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Systemd. Option C. Upstart. Option E. sysvinit. Question 9. What information can the lspci command display about the system hardware? Choose three correct answers. Option A. Device IRQ settings. Option B. PCI bus speed. Option C. System battery type. Option D. Device vendor identification. Option E. Ethernet MAC address. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Device IRQ settings. Option B. PCI bus speed. Option D. Device vendor identification. Question 10. Which of the following commands brings a system running sysvinit into a state in which it is safe to perform maintenance? Tasks. Choose two correct answers. Option A. Shutdown R1 now. Option B. Shutdown single now. Option C. Init 1. Option D. Telnet 1. Option E. Run level 1. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Init 1. Option D. Telnet 1. Question 11. What is the first program that is usually started at boot time by the Linux kernel when using sysvinit? Option A. lib init. So. Option B. sbin init. Option C. etc rc. D. rcinit. Option D. proc sys kernel init. Option E. boot init. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. sbin init. Question 12. Which of the following commands will write a message to the terminals of all logged in users? Option A. bcast. Option B. msg. Option C. print. Option D. wall. Option E. yell. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. wall. Question 13. Which of the following kernel parameters instructs the kernel to suppress most boot messages? Option A. silent. Option B. verbose equals 0. Option C. no mesh. Option D. quiet. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. quiet. Question 14. Which of the following options for the kernel's command line changes the systemd boot target to? rescue, target instead of the default target. Option A, systemd, target equals rescue, target. Option B, systemd, run level equals rescue, target. Option C, systemd, service equals rescue, target. Option D, systemd, default equals rescue, target. Option E, systemd, unit equals rescue, target. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, systemd, default equals rescue, target. Question 15. After modifying new GRUB's configuration file, which command must be run for the changes to take effect? Option A, kill $pidof grub. Option B, grub install. Option C, grub. Option D, no action is required. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, grub install. Question 16. Which of the following commands is used to update the list of available packages when using dpkg-based package? Management. Option A, apt-get update. Option B, apt-get upgrade. Option C, apt-cache update. Option D, apt-get refresh. Option E, apt-cache upgrade. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, apt-get update. Question 17. Which of the following commands lists the dependencies of a given dpkg package? Option A, apt-cache depends on package. Option B, apt-cache dependencies package. Option C, apt-cache depends package. Option D, apt-cache requires package. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, apt-cache depends package. Question 18. Which of the following options is used in a grub legacy configuration file to define the amount of time that the grub menu will be shown to the user? Option A, hide menu. Option B, splash. Option C, timeout. Option D, show menu. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, timeout. Question 19. What can the logical volume manager (LVM) be used for? Choose 3 correct answers. Option A, to create RAID 9 arrays. Option B, to dynamically change the size of logical volumes. Option C, to encrypt logical volumes. Option D, to create snapshots. Option E, to dynamically create or delete logical volumes. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, to dynamically change the size of logical volumes. Option D, to create snapshots. Option E, to dynamically create or delete logical volumes. Question 20. Which of the following commands updates the linker cache of shared libraries? Option A, mkcache. Option B, soconfig. Option C, mkldconfig. Option D, lddconfig. Option E, ldconfig. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option E, ldconfig. Question 21. Which of the following commands lists all currently installed packages when using RPM package? Management. Option A, yum, query, all. Option B, yum, list, installed. Option C, RPM, query, all. Option D, RPM, list installed. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, RPM, query, all. Question 22. Which of the following commands can be used to download the RPM package kernel without installing it? Option A. Yum download, no install kernel. Option B. Yum downloader kernel. Option C. RPM, download, package kernel. Option D. RPM download kernel. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, Yum downloader kernel. Question 23. When using RPM, verify to check files created during the installation of RPM packages. Which of the following information is taken into consideration? Choose 3 correct answers. Option A. Timestamps. Option B. MD5 checksums. Option C. Inodes. Option D. File sizes. Option E. GNUPG signatures. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, timestamps. Option B, MD5 checksums. Option D, file sizes. Question 24. Which of the following is correct when talking about mount points? Option A. Every existing directory can be used as a mount point. Option B. Only empty directories can be used as a mount point. Option C. Directories need to have the set UID flag set to be used as a mount point. Option D. Files within a directory are deleted when the directory is used as a mount point. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Every existing directory can be used as a mount point. Question 25. Which function key is used to start safe mode in Windows NT? Option A. F10. Option B. F8. Option C. F6. Option D. Windows NT does not support safe mode. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Windows NT does not support safe mode. Question 26. Which of the following environment variables overrides or extends the list of directories holding shared libraries? Option A. LD load path. Option B. LD lib path. Option C. LD library path. Option D. LD share path. Option E. LD run path. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, LD library path. Question 27. Which RPM command will output the name of the package which supplied the file, etc., exports? Option A. RPMF, etc., exports. Option B. RPMQF, etc., exports. Option C. RPMKL, etc., exports. Option D. RPMQP, etc., exports. Option E. RPMG, etc., exports. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, RPMQF, etc., exports. Question 28. When removing a package, which of the following DPKG options will completely remove the files including configuration files? Option A. Clean. Option B. Delete. Option C. Purge. Option D. Remove. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Purge. Question 29. Which file should be edited to select the network locations from which Debian installation package files are loaded? Option A. etc, dpkg, dpkg. CFG. Option B. etc, apt, apt. Conference. Option C. etc, apt, apt. Conference. D. Option D. etc, apt, sources. List. Option E. etc, dpkg, dselect. CFG. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D/etc/apt/sources.list. Question 30. Which of the following commands overwrites the bootloader located on dev SDA without overwriting the partition table or any data following it? Option A. dd if equals dev 0 of equals dev SDABS equals 512. Option B. dd if equals dev 0 of equals dev SDABS equals 512 count equals 1. Option C. dd if equals dev 0 of equals dev SDABS equals 440 count equals 1. Option D. dd if equals dev 0 of equals dev SDABS equals 440. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. dd if equals dev 0 of equals dev SDABS equals 440 count equals 1. Question 31. Which of the following commands can be used to create a USB storage media from a disk image? Option A. gdisk. Option B. dd. Option C. cc. Option D. fdisk. Option E. mount. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. dd. Question 32. In bash, inserting 1 greater than and 2 after a command redirects. Option A. Standard error to standard input. Option B. Standard input to standard error. Option C. Standard output to standard error. Option D. Standard error to standard output. Option E. Standard output to standard input. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Standard output to standard error.